Hey PJs, welcome back to another video. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe down below to become part of my PJ squad, which is always awesome. And as always, comment down below what you guys would like to see next, or if you just want to hop down there and say hello, I'll be answering as many comments as I can. So today I am reviewing Momo slimes, and it's kind of started this way because when I usually mark out like addresses and stuff, it works with me, but this box worked against me and I just could not cover them for the life of me. So I just decided to start with an open box, so that's why it's like that. But anyways, with the extras, I got this business card, and then there's borax on the inside and some candy. Sadly, I won't be able to enjoy the candy. The borax decided to kind of leak everywhere, which is perfectly fine, but I just thought I'd mention it. I mentioned weird things. But these are the slimes I got. The clear, like, shorter one is 7 ounces, and the other two are 8 ounces, and all of them have their logo on the top and then the slime name on the bottom. So starting off, this is, I think, Pato Crunch or Pato Crunch. I'm not really sure. You guys can correct me. I'm really bad at names, but that's what this one is. And of course, like the name, it's a nice crunchy slime. I couldn't tell you what these beads are. Like, I have no idea what they are, but they're really cute and pretty. I also want to mention, like, this slime is so clear and it is scented. It smells like peaches. And honestly, there's not enough peach slime, like scented slimes in the world, I swear. Because peach is so underrated and it smells so good. But it's Momo slimes, you know, peach slimes. So, of course, you gotta have some peach scented slimes, and it smells great. This also has like some little star glitters in it. It's really pretty and I like it. I will say the beads in here do kind of hurt my hands, whether I crunch it, whether I stretch it, whatever. Even after inflating, it still kind of hurts, but I think for the most part this slime is more for just holding and folding over on itself, if that makes sense. It's not really for pushing on, but you'll see later, like, this slime sounds so cool against my desk when I push it, so I kept pushing it on, and I was like, oh, this sounds great. But anyways, besides that, I really do like the slime, so I am going to give it 5 out of 5 pajamas. So other than being cautious about like the hands being hurt, I think this one is great. So this next slime is called Strawberry Cream Cake, and I will shut up so you guys can enjoy the assembly of this. Yes, I messed with that snow fizz before because I'm a child and I like messing with things. But anyways, I'm gonna shut up so you guys can enjoy the mixing of this slime, and then I'll talk afterwards. So now that the mixing is almost over, I can finally talk again. Did you guys see the detail on those strawberries? Oh my goodness, I stared at them for a good 5 minutes and I was like, are these real? Is this clay? What is this? What is happening? I had to do like a reality check. I was like, are you sure these are not real and they're clay? Because oh my goodness, you could even see the little indents where seeds would be. Like, how like how and this slime is so nice. It came with that white slime, and that one kind of smelled like cream cheese, and then the regular slime smelled like strawberries mixed together. Smells exactly like strawberry cake. I am amazed. And then that little shaker came with cornstarch in it so that you could put it on top like powdered sugar. Oh my goodness, it is perfect. Like, this is the definition of a DIY clay slime. I wanted to eat it. And then mixed together it becomes this beautiful red pinkish color, and the slime is really nice. It's still like a really fluffy snow fizz. I love it. If I could give it 1,000,000 out of 5, I would, but obviously I can just give it 5 out of 5 pajamas. It was perfection. So I'm going to shut up for this one too, but this is called Bun Bun Milk Cake Pop. Now that the slime has mostly mixed, I love this one so much. I saw it on Instagram and the bubble pops were immaculate, and I liked that these like little foam beads aren't like the large ones or the tiny ones that you usually see. They're like more of a medium size, so I also wanted to see what that does in slime. But if you guys saw those add-ins, oh my goodness, they were so pretty. That clear pink slime was nice, and then the little cubes you could add and the bunnies, they were so beautiful. I love them. And this like honestly reminds me of a cake pop, and I also like the baby pink color that this turned into. It's really nice. As for the scent, I'm not really sure what to call it. It's just a very sweet scent. It kind of reminds me of strawberry pudding, so it smells great like food, and I like almost every time I want to eat this one. But it smelled so good. This one definitely gets 5 out of 5 pajamas, just like the other two. These were perfect. Like, first time I'm trying Momo slimes, and I'm in love. But with that, that is the end of the review. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And with that, I am signing off. So I'll see you guys in the next one.